Hey guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. If you're just new here, you can do here to subscribe. We talk about trading and we also talk about psychology as well. Sure you get. So this week we are going to be talking about the review of the trades we took last week. So the first trade I took this week was on GEP JPY, and it was so fast. Like I was like, yo man, this is really fast. I know our rules now. There must be a chart pattern, and the chart pattern here that we have here is what, the double top, right? The double top. This is not an equal top. This is not an equal top. I used to call it underprice. I used to call it an underprice double top. So you get. So as long as there is a chart pattern there, we got a breakout, and it went straight to my take profit, right? Following the trend, and immediately it went back straight to my stop loss, right? But I know now I don't make the money already. this this is it here. It's really a good one. It's a very good trade. So let's move on to the next. Then this trade I took it because it was actually a good trade, but I used the wrong lot size. That's why we have to be very careful of lot size when we are actually trading. Lot size actually matters a lot. Yeah, it matters a lot. You have to be very careful, because some trade that you tend to be even loss might be win, but because of your lot size that you're using that is very low, then you'll be like, yo man, I'm not making a lot from that trade. Then to be like, yo, so that trade actually caused me to kind of make a mistake in my second trade that I took, which was on Euro USD. This trade did not even have anything that deals with my edge at all. Not this one. Let me take it there. It does not have anything to do with my edge at all, and I just took the trade just because I was like, yo, I was not using the good lot size. I have to get another opportunity. I have to get in the trade, kind of revenge trading. So I was like, man, I just have to get in this trade. I don't want to know how. So instead of me to obey my rules and follow my normal rules and procedures, what did I do? I just saw this first head and shoulder kind of pattern here, and I was like, if the market can tap me back here and then I'm expecting to push up, instead of me to wait for the breakout that I used to wait for as normal as usual. But because of, I was like, man, I want to be on this trade, and I got in this trade, the market activated me and went straight to my stop loss. And I was like, my body just calmed down and said, now I've lost. Okay, it's okay for the day. Then I quit on Tuesday. I was like, man, it's okay, man, I'm done. And then I lost. But I realized that we all learn from our mistakes, and that's how we grow. Next time, no matter how maybe the lot size, or maybe no matter how aggressive I am based on my trade, I'll just leave it and let it go, even though the lot size is a win trade and the lots are very small. You get. So but next time I make sure that I focus more on my lot size and making sure that I'm using the proper and right lot size when trading. So that was on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday I came back to the markets, and I was like, okay, this is a brand new day, let's do what we guys do. She gets. Then so the trade I took that end up in a win as well. So if you look at this trade, it was actually a good one, right? I have my first, second, and third touch. So I went for the third touch to break out my resistance zone, which it did, and I took my trade instantly from this point that it broke my resistance. But what made us take this trade was the third touch, right? Third touch. If you know market structure, you understand what I'm saying very well, right? Higher high, higher low, higher low. The third touch there, then boom, I took my trade, and this is how we can make money from the markets. Some people will be like, yo guy, your TP is very small. Bro, I'm a 2-to-1 trader, and I'm also a day trader, to be precise. I'm not a swing or a scalper. Sure you get. So I took my trade, used my proper stop loss. Your stop loss must not be more than 20 pips, as you all know that, and boom, then here we go. I used my take profit. Like this video was really fast. Very fast. Like I want to talk to 15 minutes. Very fast. and I eat my take profits, and I'm done for today. For the day, that's it. So I came on Thursday, and I was like, okay, let's see what we got. So then I just saw this entry, which is a very good entry for me too as well. So I saw this entry that also lead to my take profits. This was like, is a double bottom, but it is an overpriced double bottom. Some of you might not even understand what I'm trying to say here, because it's kind of weird. It's normal. This is an overpriced double. This is not, this is a double bottom, but it's an overpriced. It means that what the market volume is very high, so it tends to push down even below the previous candles that have been formed. Doesn't mean that the market is not good, it's good, but at the same time, it's just that the momentum of the market was really high at that moment. So therefore we call it what? Overpriced entry. Overpriced or bottom entry, right? Then I took my entry from here, and the next thing, it took like 2 to 3 hours. No, I did trade and it doesn't matter. And finally we hit our take profits and make it, and that's what make it my third win of the week, right? So I took 4 trades, 1 loss, which is a very good week for me, right? So I hope you continue like this, because sometimes it can be crazy, but we stay positive no matter the outcome that we are getting. So with the review I've made so far, you can see that inside the 4 trades I took, there was 3 wins, right? That will show you that it's about positivity, right? So we don't care whether it's 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1. All we care about is just about, okay, fine, are we making profits or we are not making profits? Having 4 trades and having 1 loss is actually a good week for me. For me, I don't know, but it's actually a good week, because to have that kind of consistent winning rates will be a very good productive trading floor for me. You get? So trading is not really hard, it's just that sometimes the markets and the traders are always fighting. So you get, and it affects psychology. So we're going to be talking more on that, on psychology, by the end of this month. So you guys should stay tuned, subscribe and share and like on this video. Peace out.